How to get your ex back after she lost interest. Getting your ex back after she lost interest can seem like a daunting task, but with the right approach, it is possible to win her back. Here are some tips to get your ex back after she lost interest. First, identify the reason why she lost interest in you. Was it something you said or did? If so, apologize for your mistake and explain that you have learned from it. Show her that you have grown and changed. Second, be patient and give her some space. Don't bombard her with messages and calls. Give her time to think about your relationship and the possibility of getting back together. Third, show her that you are still interested in her. Send her thoughtful messages, call her, or even send her a gift. Make sure that you are not too pushy or desperate. Fourth, be honest and open with her. Talk to her about your feelings and let her know that you still care about her. This will help her to see that you are sincere and that you are willing to work on the relationship. Fifth, let her know that you are willing to make changes. Show her that you are willing to compromise and make the necessary changes to make the relationship work. This will show her that you are committed to the relationship. Sixth, be understanding and supportive. Show her that you understand her feelings and are willing to be there for her. This will help her to feel more comfortable and secure in the relationship. Seventh, take things slow. Don't rush into things and try to take it one step at a time. This will help her to build trust in you and will also help you to get to know each other better. Eighth, be positive and optimistic. Don't dwell on the past and focus on the present. Show her that you are willing to move forward and make things work. Finally, don't give up. If she still isn't interested, don't get discouraged. Give her some time and try again. With the right approach, you can get your ex back after she lost interest.